Rendering demanding 3D graphics and videos requires a powerful GPU. From video editing to animation and game development, a high-performance GPU can make all the difference. In this article, we'll explore the top 7 best GPUs for rendering, comparing their specs, features, and performance to help you choose the perfect one for your needs. For more information, like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. And let's get started. Number 7. Nvidia GeForce RTX 3090. Take your gaming and creative endeavors to new heights with Nvidia GeForce RTX 3090, the most advanced graphics card on the market. With its cutting-edge Ampere architecture and innovative technologies, this powerhouse of a GPU delivers unparalleled performance, realism, and immersion. Experience faster frame rates and smoother gameplay with the RTX 3090's incredible 1.8 GHz boost clock speed and 24 GB of GDDR6X memory. Enjoy ray tracing, AI-enhanced graphics, and variable rate shading with the power of real-time ray tracing and AI acceleration. The RTX 3090 also features advanced cooling systems, including a unique hybrid fan design that ensures quiet operation and efficient heat dissipation. With support for HDMI 2.1 and DisplayPort 1.4, connect multiple monitors and enjoy stunning 8K resolution at 60 Hz or 4K at 240 Hz. For content creators, the RTX 3090's advanced features include accelerated ray tracing, AI-enhanced graphics, and variable rate shading. Take your video editing, 3D modeling, and animation to new heights with the power of AI-driven rendering and physics-based simulations. Upgrade your gaming and creative setup today with Nvidia GeForce RTX 3090. Experience the future of graphics technology with unparalleled performance, realism, and innovation. Number 6. Nvidia GeForce RTX 3080. Experience the ultimate in graphics processing with Nvidia GeForce RTX 3080, a revolutionary GPU that combines stunning visuals with advanced AI-enhanced performance. Built on the cutting-edge Ampere architecture, this powerful graphics card delivers unprecedented speeds, enhanced ray tracing, and realistic lighting effects. With 12 GB of GDDR6X memory and a massive 1.72 GHz boost clock speed, the GeForce RTX 3080 is designed to handle even the most demanding games and applications with ease. Enjoy smoother gameplay, faster frame rates, and reduced lag, making it perfect for 4K gaming, esports, and immersive experiences. The RTX 3080 also features advanced AI-enhanced technologies, including DLSS, deep learning supersampling, and AI-optimized graphics rendering. This means you'll enjoy improved image quality, reduced noise, and enhanced overall visual fidelity. Additionally, the GeForce RTX 3080 supports real-time ray tracing, variable rate shading, and multi-frame sampled anti-aliasing (NFA), allowing for more realistic lighting, reflections, and shadows. With support for NVIDIA's GeForce Experience software, you'll have access to exclusive features like DLSS enhanced streaming and shadowplay highlights. Upgrade to the Nvidia GeForce RTX 3080 and experience graphics like never before. Fast, smooth, and incredibly realistic. Number 5. AMD Radeon R6800 XT. Introducing the AMD Radeon R6800 XT, a powerful and advanced graphics card designed to take your gaming experience to new heights. Powered by AMD's RDNA2 architecture, this card is built for 1440p and 4K gaming, delivering fast and smooth performance in the most demanding games. With 2560 stream processors, 128 megabytes of game cache memory, and 16 gigabytes of GDDR6 memory, the R6800 XT provides unparalleled performance and memory bandwidth for a seamless gaming experience. The card also features AMD's proprietary technology, including Radeon image sharpening, Radeon anti-lag, and Radeon FreeSync 2 HDR, which work together to reduce lag, improve image quality, and enhance your overall gaming experience. The R6800 XT also boasts a robust cooling system designed to keep temperatures under control even during intense gaming sessions. With a sleek and compact design, this card is perfect for PC enthusiasts and gamers looking for a powerful upgrade without sacrificing space. Whether you're playing the latest AAA titles or streaming your favorite games, the AMD Radeon RX 6800 XT is the perfect choice for anyone looking to elevate their gaming experience. Upgrade now and experience the difference that only AMD Radeon can deliver. Number 4. Nvidia GeForce RTX 3070. Take your gaming experience to new heights with Nvidia GeForce RTX 3070, the latest addition to the renowned RTX series. This powerful graphics card is designed to deliver unparalleled performance, stunning visuals, and AI-enhanced gameplay. With 1920 CUDA cores, 48 GB of GDDR6 memory, and a 1.5 GHz base clock speed, the GeForce RTX 3070 is capable of handling even the most demanding games at 1440p and 4K resolutions. The GPU also features Nvidia's proprietary Ampere architecture, which enables faster rendering, improved power efficiency, and enhanced multi-threading. The RTX 3070 also comes equipped with real-time ray tracing, variable rate shading, and AI-enhanced graphics, allowing for breathtakingly realistic graphics and immersive gameplay experiences. With support for Nvidia's DLSS, deep learning supersampling technology, you can enjoy high-quality graphics at high frame rates without sacrificing performance. Whether you're playing the latest AAA titles or enjoying classic games, the GeForce RTX 3070 is designed to provide a seamless and thrilling gaming experience. Plus, with support for HDMI 2.1 and DisplayPort 1.4, you can connect multiple monitors and enjoy a wide range of display options. Experience the future of gaming today with Nvidia GeForce RTX 3070. Upgrade your PC and get ready to take your gaming experience to new heights. Number 3. Nvidia GeForce RTX 2080 Ti. Take your gaming experience to new heights with Nvidia GeForce RTX 2080 Ti, the most powerful graphics card in the RTX lineup. Built on the Turing architecture, this card revolutionizes the way you play games by introducing real-time ray tracing, AI-enhanced graphics, and variable rate shading. With 3072 CUDA cores and 11 GB of GDDR6 memory, the GeForce RTX 2080 Ti delivers unparalleled performance and efficiency. Enjoy smooth and seamless gameplay at 4K resolutions and beyond, with support for up to 8K displays. Experience immersive graphics with advanced lighting effects, detailed textures, and lifelike animations. The RTX 2080 Ti also features AI-enhanced graphics, powered by Nvidia's proprietary deep learning technology. This intelligent technology uses AI to optimize performance, enhance image quality, and even improve gameplay. Additionally, enjoy variable rate shading, which allows for more efficient rendering of complex scenes and reduced power consumption. With HDMI 2.0 support, connect your card to your favorite displays and experience stunning visuals. Plus, get ready for future-proof compatibility with DirectX Ray Tracing, DXR, Vulkan Ray Tracing, and OpenGL 4.6. Upgrade your gaming experience today with Nvidia GeForce RTX 2080 Ti, the ultimate graphics card for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Number 2. AMD Radeon Pro WX 8200. Elevate your professional graphics capabilities with the AMD Radeon Pro WX 8200, a powerful and feature-rich graphics card designed for demanding workloads in fields such as engineering, architecture, video production, and more. With 3584 stream processors and 176 GB/s of memory bandwidth, This card delivers fast and reliable performance for even the most demanding applications. The Radeon Pro WX 8200 features AMD's advanced multi-threading technology, allowing multiple threads to be processed simultaneously, resulting in significant improvements in multi-threaded applications. Additionally, its high-bandwidth cache controller, HBCC, technology enables faster data transfer between the GPU and system memory, reducing memory latency and improving overall system performance. With support for DirectX 12, OpenGL 4.5, and Vulkan APIs, the Radeon Pro WX 8200 is ready for the latest graphics-intensive applications. Its 4 GB of GDDR5 memory provides ample storage for complex models and textures, while its PCI Express 3.0 interface ensures fast data transfer between the card and system. Whether you're working on complex designs, rendering video content, or developing cutting-edge games, the AMD Radeon Pro WX 8200 is the perfect choice for professionals who demand exceptional graphics performance and reliability. Number 1. Nvidia Quadro RTX 4000. The Nvidia Quadro RTX 4000 is a revolutionary graphics card designed to accelerate professional applications and deliver unparalleled performance, precision, and power. Built on the groundbreaking Turing architecture, this card features a massive 2560 CUDA cores, 8 GB of GDDR6 memory, and a 256-bit memory bus. With its incredible processing power, the Quadro RTX 4000 enables real-time ray tracing, AI-enhanced graphics, and variable rate shading. This card is specifically designed for professionals who require exceptional performance in demanding workloads such as video editing, 3D modeling, and gaming. The Quadro RTX 4000 supports up to 4.5K displays at 60 Hz, making it perfect for multitasking and content creation. With its advanced cooling system and low power consumption, this card ensures smooth operation even during extended periods of use. Experience the future of graphics with Nvidia Quadro RTX 4000, featuring real-time ray tracing for realistic lighting and reflections, AI-enhanced graphics for detailed textures and shading, variable rate shading for improved performance, support for up to 4.5K displays at 60 Hz, advanced cooling system for reliable operation, low power consumption for efficient usage. Upgrade your workflow today with Nvidia Quadro RTX 4000 and unlock new levels of creativity and productivity. So guys, that's all for the top 7 best GPUs for rendering. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care. Bye.